How to drop a pin on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to drop a pin on Google Maps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Map apps on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just use the search bar, or you can move around the map to find the location where you want to pin. And now here, once you've found the location, you can just press and hold on the exact spot on the map for a few seconds, and after that a red pin will appear on that location. And now here, once you do that, a panel will show details like coordinates, direction, and nearby places as well. So there you can just tap on save button, which can be seen in the pop-up screen. So there you can just tap on it, or you can even save it or share it to a send pinned location to friends through apps like messaging or email, and that's it. That's how you can drop a pin on Google Maps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.